Hello students, today I am going to send you a video of SQL, different types of SQL coding for beginners. So if you want to use SQL and SQL program and software in your computer system, write SQL and run SQL command line prompt in your computer system. And this is SQL command line prompt Windows, and here you can write connect, press the enter key, and after that enter username. So my system username is system, and after that press the enter key and enter the password. So password is my system password is root. So write the system password and press the enter key, and it can be display a message connected. Connected means it can be connected SQL server with your computer systems. And after that, if you want to create different types of files in SQL command prompt, you can write here a command. So command name is ed, and why we use ed command? If we want to open the editing mode and edit mode of the SQL. And after that write the file name, and our file name is, you can write any file name like av1 dot, and after that write the SQL extension of the file, and it can be display a message, do you want to create a new file, and click on yes option here. And after that, this is notepad, and here you can type different types of commands of SQL and different types of coding of SQL. So if you want to write and declare different types of variables, and if you want to assign the value of variables, you can use different types of blocks in SQL. So first block name is declare, and why we use declare block? Declare block means if we want to declare different types of variables and user defined identifiers, user defined any identifier in declare section. And after that you can use a begin section, and why we use begin section? Begin section means if we want to assign the value of a variable, and if we want to execute the values of any particular variable, we can use begin section. And after that you can use the different types of another section, and if you have done, you can use end section. And why we use end section? If you want to end the coding, you can use end section. And after that you can declare a variable in declare section. So here I want to declare a variable which name is a, and after that write the data type of the variable and give the size of the variable and close it. And if you want to give the size of the variable, you can give the size of the variable, and after that you can use another section, that is begin section. And why we use begin section? If we want to assign the value of a variable, and if we want to show the output of any variable, and if we want to show the processing of different types of variable, we can use begin section. So here I want to assign the value of 10 in a variable, and if you want to show the value of the variable, we can use the output statement. So here you can use different types of you can use a output statement which name is dbms output dot put line, put underscore line, and after that you can write the variable name which value you want to print. So I want to write here variable name a, and after that you can use end block and slash, and close the program and save it. If you have done, you have to save your program and close it. And after that, if you want to run the program, and if you want to show the output of this program, so first of all you can write here set server output on, set server output on, and after that press the enter key. And after that, if you want to show the output of your program, use @ symbol, and after that specify the path of your file and write the name of your file, and our file name is av1.sql, and press the enter key. And when you press the enter key, it can be display the value of a, and our a variable value is 10. a value जो वेरिएबल है उसकी वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी 10. And after that, if you want to make some changes in your program, open your program again and make some changes in your program. So open your program and declare a variable and assign the value of a variable at the declaration of the variable. So here you can write the variable data type. So our variable data type is number, and after that you can use equal sign colon, and after that equal sign, and assign the value of the variable. And you can assign any value into a variable. This is static variable. And delete a assignment from begin section, and here you can print the value of the variable. So if you want to show the string of the string, if you want to print the string, you can write single quote and the value of a variable is equal. And if you want to print the value of the variable, you can use pipeline symbol in SQL. And after that, if you have done, you can use close the end section and click on save button and save your file. And again refresh your program. And it can be display the value of the variable 50 with string. The value of a is equal 50. The value of the a is 50. And similarly, if you want to declare different types of variables in SQL, again you can declare different types of variables. Like if you want to show the sum of different types of variables, and if you want to show the sum of only two variables. So here I want to declare another variable which name is b. So write here b and give the data type of your variable and assign the value of the variable like 40. And after that you can declare a variable, another variable c, जिसमें आपने computation को store करवाना है, उसको आप फिर से declare करेंगे. So I want to declare another variable here, its name is c. So declare your variable c. Write here your variable name c, and c is equal colon equal a plus b. And if you want to show the value of c, write here the value of the sum of a and b, the sum of a and b equal c. And if you have done, save it and refresh your program. Here यहाँ पे कि ये एरर जनरेट कर रहा है सी नंबर. यहाँ पे हम डेटा टाइप के साथ उसका साइज डिफाइन नहीं करेंगे, इसके साइज को हटा देते हैं. ओके. And after that save your program again and refresh it. And it can be display the sum of two numbers. The sum of a and b is equal 90. Similarly, if you want to display the value of a and b in this program, so if you want to display the values, again write here dbms output put line output statement. मैंने यहाँ पे इसको कॉपी कर लिया है. ठीक है. Next, write here dbms output put line and the value of a equals, and print the value of a. Write here a. Similarly, if you want to print the value of b, again copy it and write here b in place of a and print the value of b. And save it and refresh it. And it can be display the value of a is equal 50 and the value of b is equal 40. The sum of a and b is equal 90.